Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology behind the East. Our department is obviously mathematics. So applied mathematics is our subject. Name of faculty myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kavle. Chapter number 9 for computer engineering and information technology student, that is numerical methods. Newton-Raphson method is most probably used for this purpose. This is the fastest method but require analytical computation of the derivative f of x. Also, the method may not always converge to desired root. We can derive the Newton method graphically or by a Taylor series. We again want to construct a sequence x0, x1, x2 that converges to the root x is equal to r. Consider the xn plus 1, the member of this sequence, and Taylor series expand f in bracket xn plus 1 about the point xn. We have f in bracket xn plus 1 is equal to f of xn plus 1 minus xn f dash of xn plus dash dash. To determine xn plus 1, we draw the higher order derivative term in the Taylor series at assume f in bracket xn plus 1 is equal to 0. Solving for xn plus 1, we have xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn f dash of xn. Be careful, here f dash of xn represent the derivative of that term only. Algorithm for f of x is equal to 0. Calculate f dash of x symbolically. Choose initial guess x0 given below. Let a comma b in a closed interval such that f of a less than 0 and f of b greater than 0. Then x0 f of a plus b upon 2. x0 approximately we have to consider using bisection term. x1 x0 minus f of x0 f dash of x0. Similarly x2 x1 minus f of x1 f dash of x1. Then by repetition of this process we can find x3 x4 x5. At the last we reach at the stage where we find xi plus 1 is equal to xi. Then we will stop and hence xi will be required root of the equation. We take the example, find the approximate root of the equation x raised to 4 minus x minus 10 equal to 0 by Newton-Raphson method. Carry out 4 iteration. F of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus x minus 10. F of 1 minus 10 we have to put instead of x 1 is there, so minus 10 less than 0. F of 2 4 greater than 0. F dash of x is equal to 4x cube minus 1 is there. Initial root x0 is equal to 2, f dash of 2 is 31. x1 is equal to x0 we consider as a 2 is the initial root. So x0 minus f of x0 f dash of x0 is 2, f of 2 f dash of 2 is there is 1.871. x2 again 1.871 minus f of 1.871 f dash of 1.871. These two values derived from the f of x and f dash of x. Instead of x we have to put 1.871 there. We derive 1.856. Again we have to take the 1.856 in expression x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 upon f dash of x2. x2 is 1.856 there. Again we have to put this value in f of x and f dash of x. Instead of x we derive 1.856. Simplify, we derive the answer x4 1.856 minus f of 1.856 f dash of 1.856 and we derive 1.856. Again these roots are repeated. We carry out the x1 1.7 871, x2 1.856, x3 1.856, x4 1.856 using Newton-Raphson method. Using Newton-Raphson method to find the approximate value of cube root of under root is what there? No. Cube root of 100, perform 4 iteration. We given that x is equal to cube root of 100. Cube, taking cube of both side, x cube minus 100 is equal to 0. F of x is equal to x cube minus 100. We have to instead put the 4 there, so minus 36 less than 0. F of 5 25 greater than 0, so we take the initial root is x0 is equal to 5. F dash of x is 3x square. The x cube derivative is 3x square, 100 derivative is 0, so that's why initial f dash of 5 is 75. x1 x0 f of x0 f dash of x0, 5 minus f of 5 f dash of 5, we solving and we derive 4.667. x2 is equal to 4.667 minus f of in bracket 4.667 f dash of 4.667 is equal to 4.6417 is there. Now we have then x1 4.667 and x2 4.614 is the cube root. Using the iteration 3 and 4, we have to solve the remaining as a homework. Use the Newton-Raphson method to calculate cube root of 23 iteration there. X is equal to cube root of 20, x cube is equal to 20, f of x is equal to x cube minus 20. First we check the f of 2 minus 12 less than 0, f dash of x is equal to 3x square. So we instead of 2 we have to put 3. We have the 3 cube minus 27, that is initial root is greater than 0. That's why x0 is equal to 3. It is initial root we have to consider. F dash of 3 instead of x we have to put the 3 there. So 27 is the final answer. So x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 f dash of x0. 3 minus f of 3 upon f dash of 3 is 2.741. x2 again 2.741 minus f of 2.741 f dash of 2.741 2.715. x3 2.71 minus f of 2.715 f dash of 2.715 2.714. So using these Newton-Raphson method, we find the x1 iteration is 2.741, x2 iteration 2.715, x3 iteration 2.714. Now f of x is x raised to 4 minus x minus 10 is given. We have to find the root of such equation using Newton-Raphson method. F of 1 minus 10 less than 0, f of 2 4 greater than 0, f dash of x 4x cube minus 1. Initial root x0 is equal to 2, f of dash of 2 is 31. So xi is f of xi f dash of x minus f of x f dash of x. We have to put the value equation in form x 4x cube minus 1 minus x raised to 4 minus x minus 10 upon 4x cube minus 1. So 3x raised to 4 plus 10 upon 4x cube minus 1, it is xi. In this way also we have to put the 1 by 1 root x. We have to put 2 here. So we derive the answer 1.871. Then we have to put 1.871 in instead of x here. We derive 1.856. Instead of 1 x there we have to put 1.856. We derive the 1.856 again x3. And instead of the 1.856 we have to put there. We have to repeated root. We have to derive that is 1.856. Using this concept also and this method, it is easy to perform the platform to direct substitute and derive the value of x1 x2 x3 x4 using the approximate root of the equation using Newton-Raphson method. Now f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5, f of 2 minus 1 less than 0, f of 3 16 greater than 0. The root lies in between 2 comma 3. Initial root x0 is equal to 2. X f dash of x minus f of x f dash of x, x 3x square minus 2 minus x cube minus 2x minus 5 upon 3x square minus 2. Simplify 3x cube minus 2x minus x cube plus 2x plus 5 3x square minus 2. 2x cube plus 5 upon 3x square minus 2. It is the initial root. You have to find the remaining as for the homework for the iteration. Using Newton-Raphson method, find the approximate root of the equation concept correct up to 3 places of decimal x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Use 4 iteration. F of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5, f of 2 minus 1 less than 0, f of 3 16 greater than 0. The root lies between 2 comma 3, f dash of x 3x square minus 2. Initial root we have to consider 2, f dash of 2 is equal to 10. So solving this type of method, we have to solve the iteration for the homework. Now we have to consult about the numerical solution for simultaneous equation. What is simultaneous equation? a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. These are x and y are two variables with two constant. Here a11x1 a1 to x2 up to a1 and xn equal to 0, a21 x1, a22 x2, a2n xn is equal to 0. In general, the following system of equation am1 x1 plus am2 x2 and amn xn is equal to 0. These t simultaneous equation we have to solve by which method? Let us check. That is Gauss elimination method. This is also called the back substitution method there. Solve the following system of Gauss elimination method. X plus y plus z equal to 6, 2x minus 3y plus 3z equal to 5, 3x plus 2y minus z equal to 4. Up to 10 standard you have to use the back substitution. Simultaneously we have to solve. We have to multiply the 2 in the first equation and we consider first and second. So 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 12. 2x minus 3y plus 3z equal to 5. Minus 2x get cancelled. 2 minus minus become plus and plus become minus. We have changed the sign of second equation. 5y minus z is equal to 7. Now we have to multiply, consider the first equation constant and we have to multiply the 3 to both sides. We derive 3x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 3 into 6, it is 18. 3x plus 2y minus z is equal to minus 4. So we derive the equation in system of the equation. And so we have the 20 y minus 4z equal to 28, y plus 4z equal to 14. So 21y is equal to 42. We derive the system of equation y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 by using substitution method by back substitution. Same trick follow for the solve the system of equation by Gauss elimination method. 6x minus y minus z equal to 19, 3x plus 4y plus z equal to 26, x plus 2y plus 6z is equal to 22. Three variables, three system are equation. Simultaneously we have to solve. We keep the first equation constant taking 1, 2 and 1, 3 simultaneously. 6x minus y minus z 19, 3x plus 4y plus z is equal to 26, 18x plus 24y plus 6z is equal to 156, x plus 2y 6z equal to 22, 9x plus 3y equal to 45, 17x plus 22y is equal to 134. So we have to take the 3 common, 3x plus y equal to 15. Now we have to consider 3 plus y plus 15. We have to consider 6x plus 22y 330, 17x plus 22y is equal to 134. Simultaneously solve. 49 is equal to 196. Back substitution we derive x equal to 4, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 2. Solve the system of equation by Gauss elimination method. 2x plus y plus z equal to 10, 3x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 18, x plus 4y plus 9z equal to 16. We have to consider the equation first. We multiply by 3. First and second we have to consider, and first and last third we have to consider. We eliminate x here. We have to how many solve? Will let us check. 6x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 30. 3x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 18. So 3x plus y equal to 12. 18x 9y plus 9z equal to 90. X plus 4y plus 9z equal to 16. We cancel, we derive 17x plus 5y is equal to 74. So we have to multiply the 3x plus y equal to 15. So 15 plus 5y is equal to 60 and 17x plus 5y is equal to 74. We have to multiply 5 here. So we simplify, we derive minus 2x is equal to minus 14, x is equal to 7. Back substitute in y is equal to system of equation 12x minus 3x is 12 minus 21 is equal to minus 9. Z derive, we derive 10 minus 2x minus y equal to 10 minus 14 plus 9 equal to 5. So we derive x equal to 7, y is equal to minus 9, z equal to 5. Solve the system of equation using Gauss elimination method again. 2x plus 2y plus 3y 14, 3x plus y plus 2z 11, 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 11. Simultaneously we have to take the equation. So we have the 3x plus 6y 9z 42, 3x plus y 2z equal to 11, 6x plus 2y plus 4z 22, 6x plus 9y plus 3z is equal to 33. Simultaneously solve. Subtracting we have to consider 5y plus 7z equal to 31, minus 7y plus z equal to minus 11. Now 5y plus 7z is equal to 31. So we have to multiply the 7 to both sides. So minus 49y plus 7z equal to minus 77. Subtracting we have to consider minus minus become plus 54y. 7 get cancelled 108. Y is equal to 108 divided by 54 is 2. So back substituting we have to derive z equal to 3, x is equal to 1. In this equation, we derive the form of these terms. Same trick follow for the x plus 2y plus 3z 14, 3x plus y plus 2z 11 and 2x plus 3y plus z 11. First and third we have to solve using 5x minus z equal to minus 8, 7x plus 5z 22. Simultaneously we solve minus 25 minus 5z equal to minus 40, 7x plus 5z equal to 22, minus 18x equal to minus 18, x is equal to 1. We derive y is equal to 2, z equal to 3 using back